Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while since I released a video, and it's because I've been a little bit busy this past week and stuff. This is actually my first day riding in like a couple days, to be honest. Like I said in the last video, I was getting a puppy and stuff, and then the puppy got here like 3 days ago now, and then I've been super busy with that because, you know, I gotta watch him all the time and stuff like that, and like train him. And then, you know, he's only like 8 weeks young, so, you know, can't really go out and do stuff like that, like ride and stuff. Obviously I went today, but because I'm slowly, he's like used to me enough now to where I can leave him alone for like half an hour or so, and then he'll be fine. So I'm just gonna take a little 30-minute ride today, just unwind and relax. You know, it's a beautiful fall day. It's about 66, but with like the fairing, it's like 70 something. Let's be real, don't feel that much wind, and it just feels super nice being able to ride right now. Whoa. That was weird. Dude was just straight up backing up. At least I think he could see me. Use your mirrors, man. Alright, let's go. Well, yeah, like I said, I've been super busy, so I'm sorry that's why I haven't uploaded like a video. I would have uploaded one a lot sooner, but with like everything going on right now, haven't had that much time to. It'll change, obviously, once the puppy gets like grown and stuff like that, and I won't have to worry about spending every second with him and stuff like that. And then, yeah, it's been a super busy week and stuff like that, so still planning on doing the Rider S ST like comparison and stuff like that. I will, like I said, I'm gonna pull the bike out, put the bags on and everything when I do that video. This is just a little quick update video to let you guys know where I've been, and let you guys know I'm not like gone again or gonna stop uploading. It's just a little bit of a busy week and stuff like that. I at least wanted to come out here today and make this video for you guys. Don't like waiting months to like upload a video or something. Like, that's dumb. So yeah, I mean the speed limit's 45, but we're going below it. Like, that makes no sense. Like, why would you go under the speed limit when you're next to the cop? Like, bro, what? Like, I mean, I get not speeding or anything, but like, why would you like freaking? They're not gonna pull you over for going the speed limit. Like, Jesus, they just don't want anybody flying through the school zone. All right, let's go. Getting a little chillier. I mean, obviously it's fall, but I mean it's still 60s right now, and then it's supposed to be like 70s next week. And then even though it's supposed to rain for like 4 days in a row next week, I think that's probably because of like the hurricane thing. But we've got to take advantage of every nice day there is. Probably just gonna, every time I ride, if I have a video idea that I think about, I'll probably just do it. So, because I mean, I'm gonna still upload during the winter, but like there's not gonna be that many days where it's like I'm gonna be able to like actually enjoy making a video. Like I'll probably just go out and ride for like 15 minutes. But it also depends on like what videos I think about, what you guys want to see. Like give me some ideas down in the comment section below of what kind of videos you'd like to see me do, because I don't want to like upload stuff that you guys aren't gonna watch. There's no point in that. I want you guys to be engaged and like enjoying the content, you know. Whatever it is, I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy doing it as long as it involves motorcycles and riding, you know. That's just a basic criteria. I wonder if they'll probably still be doing this during the winter, but probably slow down a lot more whenever this winter gets colder. Yeah, with the lowrider, I mean, I'd still be out here right now, even without this big fairing, but not gonna lie, this like big fairing is pretty nice right now. Like I'm barely feeling any wind, and if I do, it's literally on the outside of my arms, and they're not that cold because I got a hoodie and a long sleeve underneath, so. No, I'm comfortable right now. We're good, it's not even 70 degrees, it's 60s. And then the colder it gets, the more layers I'll put on, stuff like that, and we'll still be good. Probably the coldest thing I'm gonna have to deal with is my fingers or my hands. So still don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the heated grips installed this winter season. We'll see though. So it feels so nice to be out here again, but that's just a quick little update, you know. I'm not trying to drag this video on, just trying to give you guys a little update of what's going on. The video is coming, and you don't have to wait months for videos to come out, because I'm not going to be doing that to y'all. So it's just a little update why I haven't uploaded in 5 days, but just because this week and like maybe the next couple weeks are just going to be the busiest for me, because the puppy is still learning. But once he's like grown and stuff, like I'm not going to have to worry about any of that. But once I get him a little bit more trained. But that's just the update for now. I hope you guys are all still riding, you know, enjoying riding, being safe out there. And hope you guys enjoyed this little update. And thanks for being patient with me until the next video. See ya.